So in this video, we are going to learn how to share ebook on Facebook Messenger for new comment on Facebook page posts. So nowadays, you must have also seen the trend where people ask you to comment a specific word on their Facebook page post, and in return to that, you will be receiving a message with some kind of links, some kind of URLs or ebooks as well. So let me tell you how you can set up this kind of automation for your Facebook page. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new comment with a specific word on our Facebook page post, automatically we can send a message with some kind of ebooks, some kind of links or any other kind of text as well to the same person who has posted the message, and we are going to send the message on Facebook Messenger. Now, if you also want to learn how you can set up all of this automation for yourself for your Facebook page, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. And on my Facebook page, I've shared a post over here. In this post, I'm asking users that if they want a free ebook on gardening and landscaping, they just have to write the word ebook in the comment box below. Now, I want to set up an automation in such a way that whenever a user is going to write the word ebook in the comment of this post, I want to automatically send the link of that ebook to the same person as a message on Facebook Messenger. Now, we are going to set up this kind of automation with an amazing automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. Now, to access Pabbly Connect, we will just go to a browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, just click on this sign up free button and you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. But because I'm an existing Pabbly user, I'll just sign into my own account. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. Now, after clicking on Access Now, we are going to reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we are going to create the automation workflow. Now, if you don't want to set up the whole workflow, which I'm going to show you in this video, then let me tell you that you will get the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account, and you don't have to build the whole workflow from the scratch. You just have to connect your account and you can start using this automation. So let's see how this workflow is built from the scratch first. Let's click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I would like to name my workflow as share ebooks on Facebook Messenger for new comment on Facebook page posts. So basically this is the name I'm going to give to my automation workflow. You can give any other name of your choice. Then after that, we just have to select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to create this automation and click on create. And after that, here you can see the workflow is open over here. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive any new comment on our Facebook page post, automatically the details of that comment and the details of the person who has posted the comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And this automation will trigger, it will start. Then after that, we are going to set up a filter condition. So using this trigger, Facebook is going to send the details of each and every event happening on our Facebook page. So whenever a user is going to post the comment on any other post, or whenever they are going to edit or delete the comment, we are going to get all of these details. And we are going to get these details for different posts from our Facebook page. So we are going to set up a filter condition that only when a new comment is added on our Facebook page with the particular word that is ebook, only in that case the automation workflow should be continued and the ebook should be sent to the person who has posted the comment. And after setting up the filter in our automation, we are going to set up the last step where we are going to send a message to the same person on Facebook Messenger with the link of the ebook. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for Facebook pages over here. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, in trigger event from the drop-down, select new comment as the trigger event, because first we want to get the details of the new comment which we are getting. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Now, because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, here in this pop-up window, you can see it has automatically detected the account. Just click on this Continue button, and as we click on Continue, we will see our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the Facebook page. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. So out of all of these pages, the new comment from which particular page we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, we have to select that. So the name of the Facebook page on which I want to set up this automation is Green Pro Landscaping. This is the Facebook page over here. So here in this dropdown, I'm going to search for the same Facebook page, Green Pro Landscaping. After selecting our Facebook page, here we have some important note. So let's read that as well. To get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as filter step and configure the following fields to filter. Filter based on verb equals to add, item equals to comment. It's worth noting that webhooks are generated for comments on add post too. To avoid potential looping when responding to a comment in the next action, it's important to filter the webhook based on res from ID to ensure it is not equals to owner's account ID. So this important note is saying us that we have to set up some filter condition on the basis of the response of verb and item. So we will see that in a couple of minutes. But right now, after connecting our Facebook account and selecting our Facebook page from which we want to get the review comments, for which we want to set up this kind of automation, we will just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new comment from this Facebook page. So let's do it. What we are going to do, I'll just go to my Facebook page, and from some other account which I have opened in incognito tab, I'm going to post a comment on my Facebook page. So here you can see in incognito tab, I have a user's account named as Devin Parker. So from this user's account, I'm going to post a comment on my Facebook page post. Here you can see this is the post, and I'm going to post a comment as ebook over here. Let's post it. So just now we have received a new comment on our Facebook page post. Now, because we have connected our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we are going to receive the response, and the response is received. And in this response, you can see we have received the response of the same comment which we have done. We have the from ID, we have the unique ID of the person who has posted the comment. We have the name of the person, the same name, Devin Parker. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the last updated date and time. Then after that, here you can see the link of that comment and Facebook post as well. We will scroll down further. Here we have the unique ID of that post. So every post which we share on Facebook will have a unique ID, and we have this unique ID, the post ID over here. Then here you can see the message. In front of message, you can see the actual text which the user has entered in the comment. That was ebook. Then we have the post ID once again, and we have the unique ID for the comment. We have the comment ID too. And we will scroll down further, and you can see some other details related to the comment as well. Also, you will notice that here we have a response of res1 item, that is comment, which means we have received this response from Facebook pages related to a comment. And in res1 verb, you can see it is showing us the response as add. So this means a new comment is added on our Facebook page. So on which post the comment is added, this is the post ID on which the comment is added, and this is the unique comment ID of the newly received comment. Also, this is the actual comment message, and here we will scroll down further and we will have the details, the name and the ID of the person who has posted the comment. So we have basically received all the details related to a new comment which we have received on our Facebook page post. So the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, as mentioned in the important notes, we have to add some filter condition. But we are not just going to add the filter condition on the basis of verb and item. We are also going to add the filter condition on the basis of what message or what comment the user has done. If they have commented the word ebook or whatever word we have used in our Facebook page post, whatever word we have asked the user to comment, if they have commented that particular word or their comment contains that word, only in that case we are going to send the ebook to them. Also, we have to set up a filter condition on the basis of post ID as well, because this trigger is going to capture all the comments which we are going to receive on our Facebook page post. But we only want to send the ebook to the people who are commenting this word ebook on this particular post. So we are going to add multiple filter conditions over here, and adding the filters is very simple. We will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in choose app, we are going to select filter by Pabbly over here. Then after that, in action event from the drop down, select filter values and click on connect. After clicking on connect, the first thing it asks us is to select the label. Now here in the select label drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook page of a new comment. Out of all of these responses, one by one, we are going to select the labels. So the first label which we are going to select is of res1 verb. We will just select it. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be add. Then after that, just click on this add and condition button. And after this, here in the drop down of select label, once again, we are going to select the label as res1 item. The filter type will be equals to once again, and it will be equals to comment. So we have added a filter condition that whenever a comment is added, whenever we will be getting the response of comment in res1 item and the response as add in res1 verb, in that case, this workflow should be continued further. For this, we have set up this filter condition. But we have to set up the filter condition on the basis of post ID and also on the basis of the actual comment which we are going to receive. So just click on this add and condition button once again. This time in select label from this drop down, we are going to select the post ID over here. We are going to select this label. This should also be equals to the ID of the same post for which we are setting up this automation. So we will just copy this same post ID from the trigger step responses and we are going to paste it over here in this field. Just paste it over here. So we have added the filter condition that if the post ID of the comment whose response we have captured in the trigger step is equals to this ID or post ID of this particular post, only in that case the workflow should be continued further. Then we will just click on this add and condition once again, and now we are going to set up the filter condition on the basis of the actual message or actual comment which the user has posted. So we will be selecting the label as the res1 message, and this time the filter condition is not going to be equals to. From the drop down, we are going to select the filter condition as contain, and we are going to write our word, the keyword for which we have basically created this Facebook post, that was ebook. We are going to write that word over here. So if the comment posted by user contains this word as ebook, only in that case the automation workflow will be continued further. Now users are not only going to comment a single word, they might also write a sentence framing or having that word as well. That's why we have selected the filter type as contains, that if their posted message or the posted comment will contain the word ebook, we are going to continue this automation. Now here in the help text at the bottom, it is showing us that to avoid potential looping when responding to a comment in the next action step, it's important to filter the webhook based on the res1 from ID. So here in the response, you will notice that we have received the from ID, that from which user, from which particular ID we have received this comment. Now this particular trigger is also going to capture the comment which we are going to post as a reply. So if we are going to reply to a comment on our Facebook page post, this trigger is also going to capture those comments. And in that case, we don't want this automation to send the ebook link to our own account as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to set up another filter condition that this from ID should not be equals to our Facebook page's ID. So we are going to set up the filter condition on this res1 from ID. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get the ID of our Facebook page. So here we will just scroll down, and here in the response of res1 post ID, the ID which we have before this underscore, the ID which we will be having over here at the first, this is your Facebook page's unique ID. Just copy this ID from here, go to the filter step, and after that just click on this add and condition button. Then from the drop down, we are going to select the res1 from ID as the label, and here in the filter type, it should not be equals to this ID which we have copied. So we have added a filter condition that the from ID should not be equals to our Facebook page's ID. So these are 5 filter conditions which we have added in our automation workflow. We have added this filter condition that only when a comment is added on our Facebook page post on this particular post with the word ebook containing in it, only in that case the automation workflow should be continued further, and only in that case the ebook link should be sent to the person who has basically posted the comment. And we have added the last condition as the from ID should not be equals to our own ID, because if we reply to the comments on our Facebook page, it is going to capture those responses as well. So we have added a filter condition that the from ID should not be equals to our own ID. Now, after setting up all the conditions, all the filter conditions, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, it is showing us that the condition is true because the comment which we have received in the trigger step is fulfilling all the filter conditions which we have added. Because we have received the response for a new comment being added on our Facebook page post, the same post in which we are asking user to post the comment to get the ebook. And the comment which we have posted also contained the word ebook over here, and the user who has posted the comment is not our Facebook page. Now, after setting up the filter condition, let's set up the last step and send a message to the same person who has posted the comment with the ebook link. For that, just click on this add action step button over here, and then here in choose app, once again we'll search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send a private reply. Then just click on connect. And because we have connected our Facebook account, our Facebook page in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on save. After clicking on save, we will see once again our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, once again it is asking us to select the page. So from the drop down, we are going to select the same page which we have selected in the trigger step. That was Green Pro Landscaping. That from which page, from which account we want to send the message to the person who has posted the comment. Then it is asking us reply to. And here in the drop down, we have two options: to post ID or to comment. So it is most likely possible that some other users might post some content or share some post on our Facebook page. Now we have an option to send the messages to those users as well directly using Pabbly Connect automation. But right now we don't want to do that. We want to send the messages to the person who has posted a comment on our Facebook page post. That's why in this drop down we are going to select to comment ID over here. Then it is asking us post ID or the comment ID. So whatever comment ID we are going to enter over here, the message with the ebook link will be sent to the same person comment. So we have received the comment ID from trigger step responses from Facebook over here. So here you can see we have this comment ID. So we are going to map this same response of comment ID over here in this Facebook pages action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in this drop down from Facebook pages responses, select the response of comment ID and it will be mapped. Using this, whenever we are going to receive a new comment, the comment ID of the same comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And we are going to send the ebook link with the message directly to the same person who has posted this comment. After comment ID, the last thing comes, that's the message. And it is the most important part. Facebook, or should I say Meta, provides different types of template. We can send different types of messages to the users who has posted a comment on our Facebook page post. Now you must be thinking how you're going to know about these templates. So let me tell you. In the help text below, you can see this hyperlink on message template. We will just open this in a new tab and it will take you to the message template section of Meta for developers. And here you can see a list of all the template types which Meta offers to send to users. So we have button template, custom template, customer feedback template, generic template, media template, product template, and receipt template. So these are the types of template. These are types of messages which we can send to our users on Facebook when they post a comment on our Facebook page post. You can basically select any kind of template as per your choice. Right now in this video, we are going to take an example of this button template over here. So here you can see in button template, you can send a message to the user with some buttons in it. And in the button, you can also add the link, the URL of your ebook or the PDF file which you want to send to your users. Now here in this button template, we will scroll down and we have to send the template. We have to send this kind of request. But don't worry, you don't need any kind of technical skills or coding knowledge. All you have to do is just select the type of the template which you want to send, open it, and here under example request, whatever you see after message colon, you just have to copy that. Just copy everything after message colon till second last curly brace over here. We will just copy it and then we have to paste the exact same format, exact same JSON body over here in this message field. Now after pasting it, you can see the formatting has a bit changed. So let me format this part as well. Okay, so as you can see, we have just copied this JSON body after message in the example request and we have pasted it over here. And also I have improved the formatting of this. So what is going to happen? We are going to send a button template where we are going to send a message to the user with button in it, and button will be hyperlinked. So whenever the user is going to click on that button, they will be redirected to a link. So we are sending the PDF files. We will be adding the link, the URL of the ebook which we want to send to our users. So here in this message, you can see it is very simple to read. It is very easy to read. Here we are mentioning that we are sending a message which is the attachment type of a message. So we are using a template over here. That's why you can see type as template. And in payload, you can see we have the template type as button because we are sending a button message over here. Now after template type, here you can see in front of text, in double quotes, you have to enter the text. You have to enter the actual message which you want to send to the users. So we will just clear this default value, and in between of these two double quotes, we have to enter the exact same message which we want to send. So I have already copied the message. Let me paste it over here, and this is the message. Hello, thank you for your interest in our free gardening and landscaping ebook. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a lush paradise. Click the button below to download your free copy instantly. Happy gardening. So this is the kind of message I want to send with the ebook link. You can basically enter any message of your choice over here in front of text in double quotes. After text, it is asking us for the button. So we have the section of the button and the button type is web URL. We are going to add a URL, a link with that button. Then after that, here in front of URL, we have to enter the actual URL of the ebook which we want to send. So here in double quotes, we will be just replacing this default response with the URL of the ebook. So I have also copied the URL of the ebook and I will be just pasting that URL over here. So this is the link of the ebook, the free ebook which I am offering. And then below that, we have the title. So in default value, we have visit messenger as the title, but whatever title of the button, whatever text in the button you want to show, you have to enter it over here in place of title in double quotes. So you can see get order status or call me. You can basically add any text over here. Let's say I want to enter the text as get free ebook. So this is the text which I'm entering over here. You can basically enter any text in place of this as well. Now after this, you can see we have the curly braces closed over here and then we have a comma. So if you want, you can add multiple buttons in your message as well. But right now we don't want to add multiple buttons. So we will be just removing these tags or these curly braces which we have for multiple buttons. And we are good to go. So what we have done, from this button template section, from the template or example request, we have copied the JSON body after message colon with double curly braces. We have pasted it inside Pabbly Connect, and in this body, we have replaced the text with the message which we want to send. We have replaced the URL with the link of our ebook, and we have updated the title of the ebook as well. Now after doing this, what we have to do, we will just click on this save and send test request button. Now, as we click on save and send test request, you will see we will receive some response over here, and the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. Here in this response, in REST3 message ID, if you get this ID over here, this means this message with the button and the link is been sent to the person who has posted the comment on our Facebook page post. So let's check it. We will be checking the account of the same user who has posted the comment on our Facebook page post in an incognito tab. Okay, so here we are on the Devin Parker, the same user's account who has posted the comment on our Facebook page post. And yes, here in the messenger section, you can see a message is being received by the same person over here. The message is, hello, thank you for your interest in our free gardening and landscaping ebook. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a lush paradise. Click the button below to download your free copy instantly. Happy gardening. So you can see we have the exact same message which we have entered in our Pabbly Connect workflow under the messaging section in front of text. And also we have the same button text which we have added. And if we click on this button which we have have in this message, you can see in a new tab, the ebook which we were offering for free to the users, that same ebook will open in front of us in a new tab. So here you can see the same ebook will open. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, you can send different types of messages to the users who are posting a comment on our Facebook page post. Now here what we are going to do, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation. So here you can see I have opened the Facebook account of this user named as Michael Karas. And from this user's account, I'm going to post a comment as, for example, ebook. So we have posted this comment of ebook, and as we post the comment, we will see automatically within few seconds, we are going to receive a message from our Facebook page. This user will receive a message from the Facebook page with the ebook link. And yes, here you can see instantly within seconds, the message is received. We have the exact same text message which we have created, and we have the button in that message as well, because we have selected the message type as button template. Also, if you click on this button, you can see in the new tab, the same ebook or the same PDF whose link we have added in the message is opening in front of us. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.